Welcome to another episode of Camp Kitchen Cooking King, the cooking show for people that hate to cook, presented by someone who really can't. Now, my name's Tim Smith, and today we're going to be cooking pasta a la Tim. I need old Mr. Sharpie, and we're going to do sliced bacon. I'm just dumping that in, and the onions, and I'm not mucking about. We're going hard and fast on this one. We are dicing this onion up. Try and not cut your fingers off. Straight into the pot. Bang. That's 2 onions. Let's light the old Thetford. Thetford, my fabulous sponsors. They look after me in oh so many ways. Pop online, www.thetford.com.au. We're cooking in front of the Mars camper. Look at the clearance on this puppy. Back to the cook. While your onion is cooking and getting ready to be combined, we're going to get ready our 500 grams of lean mince. Mr. Sharpie's on the ground. Oh my goodness. A good knife is really all you need. Make sure he's sharp though, that's the point. Get it, the point? I've gone lean beef mince and I'm going to give it a hand into the pot. I'm just giving it every chance to keep ripping on. But this is the most important part, and as much garlic as you possibly dare is my rule of thumb. So there's heaps of garlic, fresh, in it goes. It smells amazing. Again, the magic Worcestershire sauce. And seriously, I'm giving it a real good go. What isn't made better by tomato sauce other than ice cream? And I'm talking about a real squirt. 2 beef stock cubes. Seriously, just break them up. In they go. I need water. I need 4 cups of it. Oh yeah, that's good. Now we're cooking with gas. And she's going to start coming to the boil now. We're cooking the whole lot in this pot. Why would you make jobs for yourself? You'd be nuts. Pasta. Oh, this is going to be fantastic. We'll let that look after itself. And I'm going to do a bit of tidying up. We're racing to the finish line now. In goes, trust me on this one, 1/2 cup of milk. It's just going to thicken this all up. And now we go no further than your big packet of shredded tasty. I'm going to use half of it. It is truly a cheeseburger pasta. Here I go, I'm serving it up. It's beautiful. It is just beautiful. And the pasta is just perfect. And I've only got 1 dish to wash up. I'm the Camp Kitchen Cooking King. And if you don't believe it, give this a try. And I'll see you next time.